Drugs from Venoms. Source, BBC, NIH, by visualgk.com. Cocktail of toxins. Venoms help animals to immobilize or kill prey, or neutralize predators, in self-defense. To qualify as venom, as opposed to poison, the toxin mixture must be injected into another animal. Around 150,000 animal species have evolved the machinery to produce venom, and inject it into prey. Venoms are cocktails, made of between tens and hundreds of different toxins, usually proteins, and smaller chains of amino acids similar to proteins, called peptides, along with organic molecules, such as hormones, antibiotics, and other compounds, that are involved in the metabolic functions of living things. Bees and wasps. Targets: HIV, breast cancer, skin cancer, and rheumatoid arthritis. More than half of the venom of honeybees is made up of a peptide, called melittin. Gold nanoparticles carrying melittin can puncture holes in the protective envelope of HIV, without affecting human cells. These nanoparticles could one day be part of a vaginal gel, to prevent HIV transmission. One of the biggest challenges facing cancer therapy is how to ensure that drugs target only cancerous cells, and not healthy ones. Researchers are studying a toxin from the venom of the Brazilian wasp Polybia paulista that could do just that. Melittin has been shown to shrink tumors in mice with breast and skin cancers when delivered via nanoparticles. It can also block the inflammatory mechanisms in cells and animals with rheumatoid arthritis. Snakes. Targets: blood pressure, blood clotting, and chronic pain. Many snake-derived drugs target the cardiovascular system. Workers on banana plantations, who've been bitten by snakes, often pass out due to severe drops in blood pressure. This led researchers to a peptide in the venom of the pit viper Bothrops jararaca. The drug based on it, blood pressure medication captopril, works by stopping the molecules that would ordinarily prevent blood vessel dilation, allowing them to widen and lower blood pressure. It was the first venom-based drug. The southeastern pygmy rattlesnake, found in the US, has potent venom that stops blood from clotting and causes profuse bleeding. One of its toxins has been developed into a drug, called eptifibatide, that is used in people who are at risk of having a sudden heart attack. It stops platelets in the blood from sticking together, preventing the blood clots that can cause heart attacks and strokes. Cone snails. Targets: chronic pain, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, schizophrenia, and lung cancer. This predatory carnivorous sea snail's prey can be engulfed, and bite comes from a modified tooth that is projected out of the snail's mouth, and injects venom into its prey, instantly paralyzing it. Some of these same toxins have shown pain-killing effects in humans. There is already a drug on the market, the morphine-like cyconotide, which is used to treat severe chronic pain, by administering it direct into the spinal fluid. Spiders, scorpions and centipedes. Targets: cancer, muscular dystrophy, chronic pain, and erectile dysfunction. Scorpion venom could be medically useful, as a way of marking up brain tumor cells for surgery, as it's tough for surgeons to identify where a tumor ends and healthy cells begin. If they err on the side of caution, cancer cells get left behind. If they get too knife-happy, then healthy cells are cut out, alongside cancer. Chlorotoxin, a component of venom from the cheerily named deathstalker scorpion, binds to tumor cells. Adding a fluorescent tag means that tumors light up, allowing a surgeon to clearly see their boundaries. Spider venom also appears to be a rich source of compounds for drug development, with toxins believed to have the potential to variously treat muscular dystrophy, chronic pain, and erectile dysfunction. A peptide from the Chinese red-headed centipede venom has the potential to be a more effective painkiller than morphine, possibly without some of the side effects, such as addiction. ANEMONES. Targets: multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, and lupus. Native to the Caribbean, the sun anemone uses stinging cells in its tentacles to deliver venom to its prey, stunning small fish and other sea creatures before eating them. One compound from the anemone venom peptides forms the basis of an experimental drug, dolaitide, for treating autoimmune disease. Instead of suppressing the whole immune system like existing drugs, it very selectively blocks an ion channel in the particular type of immune cells that go haywire in autoimmune diseases, such as multiple sclerosis, rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, and lupus. Lizards. Targets: diabetes. Gila monster lizards are the biggest in the US, and possess venomous saliva. They eat as little as 3 big meals a year, while managing to keep their blood sugar stable. Researchers have discovered a component in the lizard's venom that mimics the activity of a human hormone that stimulates insulin release when blood sugar levels rise. Exenatide, an injectable drug based on the toxin, helps people with diabetes maintain healthy glucose levels and even lose weight. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com